Today, let's learn how to delete your Perplexity AI account. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video. For whatever reason, if you're trying to remove or delete your account of Perplexity, let me show you the simple steps. Now you can follow along even if you're using a mobile device and using the mobile app of Perplexity. Head over to perplexity.ai and make sure you are logged in. Once you are logged in, head over to the account section, which you'd be able to see on the bottom left of the screen. Once you click on the account section, this menu will open up. You just need to head over to account. Now inside of account, this is the section where you can change your information. And if you scroll down a bit on the last, you'll see the option called delete your account. Just click on the learn more button and it's going to give you a pop-up warning which says before you delete your account, please take a moment to understand what will happen to your data. Your profile details, preferences, and settings will be removed. Your search history, threads, and any other content you've shared will also be deleted. So make sure you keep this in mind. And it also says your account cannot be undone. So once you click and confirm your deletion, your account will be deleted and your data will be deleted within 30 days. And this process cannot be undone. So if you agree, just click on confirm deletion and your account of Perplexity will be deleted. So that's pretty much all for this video. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.